The challenges we needed to address was a 20-year-old PBX system. So I like to tell the story of the Show 24 that debuted in 2001. We were still using those same desk phones up until 2023. We were buying them used on eBay. So we really needed to forklift an old solution out and get something functional, forward-facing, that was much easier and efficient. We evaluated 9 companies, and what stood out to me about Dialpad was the willingness to tailor or accommodate what we felt was an unusual request, which turned out to be something that many other customers wanted as well. It was evident that Dialpad was receptive and flexible and interested in really what customers wanted most. Our favorite Dialpad features are the simplest. We came from a PBX system, which was simply phone calls. And now we can use it for messaging and for meetings. And the messaging has really had a lot of traction. We average about 92,000 messages a month. Dialpad has transformed our customer experience in that they don't have to repeat information every time they call in. They're helped quicker and they're immediately identified, which gives that personal touch that our company strives for. We have noticed since we deployed Dialpad, we're 35% more efficient than we were originally in time saved alone. We have one platform now. So the efficiency that we gain from that right there justifies making a change to begin with. We're poised to eliminate 200 cell phones that we had to give users because they needed to send a text message. Now they can do everything from Dialpad. So we're about to see significant cost savings with 200 lines of service we no longer need. One of the big improvements that we have enjoyed with Dialpad also is analytics. Now we have real-time analytics with local teams that can access the data as they need without having to go to another department, another team, another third-party application. Dialpad has definitely empowered agents. They're no longer relying on a binder to look up information they don't know. They're no longer limited in that call coming in and having to ask introductory questions to determine who the customer is and what they need. That's provided to us with Dialpad's AI. I think the main differentiator that keeps our teams happy with Dialpad is that it's constantly evolving. They'll say, gosh, I really wish we could do this. And we get to say, as a matter of fact, it's coming. Dialpad listens to feedback and applies it. And most of the time when we've made suggestions, it's already on the roadmap. The Dialpad team is unbeatable.